Welcome back, students. So now we are going to start this death of the partner. The sixth problem I will solve here on show. So here there are three partners, as you can see: Puneet, Pankaj, and Prakash. Okay, their ratio is 2:2:1. Fine. Yeah, the balance sheet is given. Okay, then these are the adjustments. These are 6 marks compulsory problems. So first of all, you will draw this format like this. Who will die now? How you will know? Whenever this word died is given, you will know this is 6 marks problem on death of the partner. Yes, e word die anta kottidre. So who died? Three partners: Puneet, Pankaj, Prakash. Who died? Prakash died. This Prakash died. So you'll write the heading: Prakash capital account. Yes, write debtor, write credit. Yes, particulars amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. First of all, very important, by balance brought down. It is same for all the problems. By balance brought down. Amount from where will you write? Yes. Prakash, what is Prakash capital? Yes. 40,000. Prakash died, no? So we are only concentrating on Prakash. Prakash is 40,000. Okay. So by Prakash balance brought down is 40,000 you will write. Fine? Yes. Second step is you have to check in the balance sheet whether there is reserve fund. There is reserve fund, yes. Reserve fund 50,000 anta ide. Okay. So E 50,000 you have to focus on only Prakash. Prakash died. So Prakash the share prepare madi. What is Prakash's share now? See, ratio is 2:2:1. Share of Prakash will be 1 divided by, yes, that is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 1 by 5 will be Prakash's share. Those who did not understand, I will just show you all how that share came. So there are three partners now. That is, yeah, Pankaj. Then there is Puneet. Puneet. Then Pankaj. Then you have Prakash. You know this, but just for people, those who find it difficult. Ratio is 2:2:1. Who died? Sorry, Prakash died. Yes, Prakash died. So this person died. So we are going to focus on this one. So what will be the share? 1 divided by 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 1 by 5. So share of Prakash is 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. Okay, yes, ratio na add madudu ashte. So reserve fund enide 50,000. 50,000 into 1 by 5 madi. Why 1 by 5? Prakash's share. Yes, okay. So how will you write now? Yeah, write please students. 1 by 5 into reserve fund is 50,000. So when you do, you will get it. Yes, multiply madidre you will get 10,000, isn't it? Yes. So reserve fund is done. Now next step what you have to do is the adjustments you have to see. Two adjustments are given. First one, the deceased partner will be entitled to his share. Deceased andre yaru? Prakash. Who dies is called deceased. One who die is deceased. So Prakash deceased share andre Prakash share will be entitled to his share of profit up to the date of death calculated on the basis of previous year profit. Yes, andre he entitled andre the partner who ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದಾನಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ up to the date of death calculated on the basis of previous year profit. So don't get confused. ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 2017 ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ 2016 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 4 years ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 4 years. ಸೊ 16-17 ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, he will be entitled ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು? ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು 2013, 14, 15 ಮತ್ತು ಇದು 16. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. Previous year, this is the present year, no, 2017. 2017, the present is, previous is what? 2016. So 2016 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 16 to 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 30,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನದು ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಡೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ by profit and loss suspense account. We create this account, okay? Death of the partner only. By P&L and the profit and loss. You can write P&L also, correct? It is suspense account. SUSPENSE. Suspense account. Amount hege previous year they have told. See, previous year. Present is 2017. 70 the previous is 2016. 16 andre illi 16 idan nodbeku. So 30,000, see how I'm writing here, 30,000 into, what they are telling, his share of profit. Illi ನೀವು 3 word ಗೆ focus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. his share ಅಂದ್ರೆ share ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು share ಏನೋ just now I told you 1/5. So into 1/5 into ಮತ್ತೊಂದು word to focus here is date of death, up to the date of death. Date of death. When did he die? 30th September. Isn't it? 30th September he died. So this business was created March 31st. March 31st is the end alla. So March 31st ನಂತರ ಯಾವುದು? April. So how many months after he was alive? April, May, June, July, August, September 30th he died. So 6 months. Okay, I will just show it once again to the people who did not understand. See, balance sheet ide of which year? I hope you can see it. Balance sheet ide is of 31st March, isn't it? Alva. March ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವುದು? April. ಇದು 31st we are noting. So April, May, June, July, August, September 30th he died. So September we will take. So full month he was there. How many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 months he was alive. Isn't it? 6 months. So 6 divided by 12. Okay. Once again I will tell. Idannu full again I will explain it to you students. First of all, ಈ sentence ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ the deceased partner will be entitled to his share. There are 3 things to focus. His share, ಮತ್ತೆ date of death, ಮತ್ತೆ previous year. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ who died, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has to receive the share. So which is a previous year? Present year is 2017. Previous is 2016. No, 16 is given here. So 30,000. So 30,000 into his share. His share is, I have told you just now, 1/5. Into date of death. Till how many months he was alive? Ashte. We have to give. 30th September he died. This was created business 31st March. Ad nantra April. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. So amount into share into months. Amount share into months. So when you calculate, it will give you 3,000. Okay? Yes. Next sentence, very important one is, what we'll see? He will be entitled to his share of goodwill of the firm calculated on the basis of 3 years purchase of average of last 4 years. Do not get confused. This is given so much big. What is this? It is easy. And goodwill is not given directly. When goodwill is not given directly, you have to calculate the goodwill. How you are calculating the goodwill? See, on the basis of 3 years purchase of average of last 4 years profit. ಏನಲ್ಲ simple. ಈ 4 years profit they have given, no? 80,000, 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. All 4 you have to add, divided by 4. That answer into 3. I will just show you. It is better, students, you make a note for it. Okay, simple only. I will make you write calculation of goodwill. Okay, then you will write goodwill is equal to 3 into average profits of last 4 years. Yes, 3 into average profits of last 4 years. So that will be 3 as it is, keep here bracket alli. Average profit of last 4 years andre idella 4 years profit ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ 80,000, 50, 40 ಮತ್ತು 30,000 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. 80,000 plus 50,000 plus 40,000 plus 30,000. Average ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ಅಲ್ಲ. So divided by 4. So that will give you 3 into this 3 keep as it is. Add all this 80, 50 plus 40 plus 30,000. It will give you, yes, it will give you 2 lakh. Use your calculator please. Divided by 4. So 3 as it is keep here. 2 lakh divided by 4 eno? Yes, it is 50,000, isn't it? Please use your calculator, my dear students. Now multiply made. 3 into 50,000 will be, yes, 1,50,000 is the goodwill. Okay. Now goodwill, this is the goodwill of the firm. Firm idu goodwill idu. Firm andre all the 3 partners. Now you want create goodwill of the one who died. So whose share it is? Prakash's share of goodwill. You have to create right here. Prakash share of goodwill. Prakash share of goodwill. Amount is how much? 1,50,000 into what is Prakash's share? Just now we saw. Prakash's share is, yes, 1 by 5. Remember that. When you multiply, you will get rupees 30,000. Isn't it? Now, gain ratio of Puneet and Prakash. E 30,000 you have to give to Puneet and Prakash. Those who are remaining. Alive ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜೀವಂತ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪುನೀತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ಗೆ ಆ 30,000 ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ? ಎಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಪುನೀತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಿದೆ? ಫುಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 2:2:1. It is given in the question here. 2:2:1. Okay. Who dies? Prakash will die. He will die. What remains? 2:2. 2:2 andre 1:1 alla. 1 ones tables it will be. So the gain ratio is 2:2 or 1:1. Okay. Now e ratio ali 30,000 divide ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. This is similar to what retirement you are doing. So 1:1 andre half. 1/2 alla. So for Puneet, amount of goodwill by Puneet, that is 1/2 into 30,000 you do. You will get 15,000. Amount of goodwill by Pankaj, same, e 30,000 or 1/2 into 30,000. When you do, you will get, yes, 15,000. Okay. So 2 amount. I will just tell how we calculated it. It is easy. Goodwill 3 into average profit. Ella profit annu add ಮಾಡಿ. What is given in the question. When you add, divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿ. Adannu 3 ge multiply. Why 3 we are multiplying? They have given here 3 years purchase anta. So you will multiply, you will get this. So in 1,50,000 you have to create Prakash share. Prakash one who died. So 1,50,000 idu into 1/5. 1/5 is his share. This 30,000 you have to give it in the gain ratio 1:1. 1/2, 1/2. Like retirement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 15,000 equally 30,000 you have to divide it and give. Now ಈ amount ಗೆ entry ಕೊಡುವುದು. This is as per the accounting standard 10 rule. Okay. So I am writing, see, by Puneet capital, how much you got that answer? Yes, 15,000. By Pankaj's capital account you get 15,000. How this 15,000 came? Yes, you write it from this board. 15,000 e amount anni bariyodu. Okay. Last one, what he is telling is the drawings of the deceased partner were up to the date amounted to 10,000. Drawings amount directly bariyodu. Drawings will always come in the debit side. So write 2 drawings 10,000. Okay. Yes. Next one, what he is telling? Interest on capital to be allowed at 12% per annum. Yes, so interest on capital you're going to do 12% per annum. So capital ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದು by interest on capital. What is this capital? ಇದು 40,000. So I'm doing see 40,000 into how many months he was alive? 6 by 12. 6 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? Business started March ಆದ ನಂತರ, after March. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. 6 by 12 into 12% andre 12 by 100. 12% means 12 by 100. So when you multiply, you're going to get 2,400 is the answer. So please add on both the side. When you add on both the side, you will get, add all this. You will get 85,400. Here also write 85,400. 85,400 minus 10,000. You will get 75,400. This you're going to put to Prakash Executors account. That's it. Okay. Thank you.